Welcome on your channel Simple French with Thomas. Today let's discover the definite and indefinite articles. Alright, let's have a look to the definite and indefinite articles in French and their difference. So, the equivalent in English of the definite articles will be, for example, le, la, les, and L apostrophe. Le is actually the male version of the, la will be the female version, les the plural version, and L apostrophe will be le or la in front of a noun starting with a vowel. So I could say, for example, le chien, because I know that chien is a masculine word. I am not allowed to say la chien, it doesn't exist. La table, the table. Table is a female word. Again, I'm not allowed to say le table, it wouldn't exist. Les enfants, for example, les enfants, plural, with a little liaison between enfant and les, because enfant starts with a vowel, so we can check out what's before and we see a S and we make the liaison, les enfants, and L apostrophe, like for example, l'éléphant. L'éléphant. I am not allowed to say le éléphant because in that case, éléphant it's a masculine word. Le éléphant doesn't sound good. You say l'éléphant, which will be the same thing if I had a noun female starting with a vowel. I wouldn't say la erreur, for example, the error, but I will say again l'erreur. So L apostrophe, it's la or le in front of vowel. And in another hand, you will have the indefinite articles that will be in English a, o, n. And in French, you're going to say un, une, or des. Un being masculine, un cheval, cheval is a masculine word. Une being feminine, une maison, maison is a feminine word. And des chocolats, that will be chocolates or some chocolates. In English is kind of the same thing. So basically what you need to know when you want to use a noun and use the right article is to know the gender of the noun you're using. Now, second part of this video, how do I know if I need to use a definite articles or an indefinite articles? Well, it's gonna depend your intention. If you are referring specifically to a certain noun, you might need to use a definite article. For example, I'm gonna say, I want the cat. If I say, I want the cat, I'm basically saying that I want the cat here, the one I can see or the one we talked about. I'm referring to a specific cat. In opposition, if I say, I want a cat, I'm not specifically talking about a cat I've seen or we talked about. I'm more saying, I would like a cat. I want a cat. It's more general, less specific. And this will be indefinite. So, le, la, les, and L apostrophe for something definite, something I know what we're talking about, and in opposition, un, une, and des for what's indefinite, in general. Also, something I would like to precise, and this is a difference between French language and English language. In English, you are allowed to say, I eat chocolates. If you use plural, you don't need to have an article in English. In French, you have to, and this will be des. Je mange des chocolats. If you say I eat a chocolate, you will say je mange un chocolat. So in French, it's gonna work all along. If you don't have an article between your noun and your verb, or your verb and your noun, your sentence will be grammatically wrong. People might understand, but it's gonna sound very weird. So don't forget, if you use plural, you need to use an article. Alright, this is all for today. I hope you understood everything. If you have any question, don't hesitate to leave a comment under this video. Don't forget to hit the bell to don't miss anything from this channel, and à bientôt.